In this video, we'll use an exercise ball, which has some texture to it, but you can use a lacrosse ball or anything similar to work out tight areas in and around the spine and the shoulders. So here I'm targeting the trap area as well as the rhomboids, and I'm keeping the same side arm folded in front of me as I rock my upper body back and forth, targeting tender areas with the ball. You can raise your arm up overhead and move it back and forth. Go from out from your side to across your body. You can also position the ball so that it's just underneath your posterior shoulder and do this external rotation to internal rotation movement pattern with your shoulder to really target a tight posterior capsule. So working the posterior deltoid, teres minor, infraspinatus. You can also just go ahead and do this simple stretch where you hold your arm up against the side of your head, even slightly behind it. You can rotate your legs back and forth to accentuate the stretch. This is excellent for a tight shoulder capsule. Many people have tightness right in the posterior deltoid muscle, and to target that area, you can go ahead and use the ball while you're in this overhead stretch position. And again, just manipulate your upper body so that you're trying to hit the tender areas of the posterior deltoid on that ball. To work the underside of your shoulder, the axillary region, you can go ahead and lie on it in this manner. First, just start by flexing and extending the elbow to get the tissues used to being on the ball. It can be quite tender if you've never done this before, so just err on the side of being conservative and do what feels good to you. You can move your arm back and forth, you can rock your upper body back and forth to some degree. Once you do this, you'll really feel how you can manipulate how much pressure you put on tender areas. So if you move the ball a little further down, you can also target your latissimus dorsi, so the tendon of the long muscle that comes from your lower ribs and extends right up to your arm. You can even find one specific area and park your body right there and slowly allow your body weight to press the tissue deeper into the ball. If you have any questions or comments, please use the comments section below. You can also do a search within our library for a number of related videos on shoulder mobility. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more suggestions on how to improve your mobility and health. And for our most recent self-care suggestions, please use the link here to subscribe to our newsletter. All of this helps us produce more useful content. Thank you and see you again soon.